Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is difference between paid-in capital and capital contribution. We will see this topic with the help of real life examples, and I will share with you the journal entries of each example so you will understand this concept easily. So let's start. We will see first what is capital and what is additional paid-in capital, capital contribution and owner's equity, what is the logic behind them, difference paid-in and capital contribution. We will see these all of things with the help of journal entries for explanation. So everyone will understand this concept very easily. So let's start. The first of all, what is capital? In simple words, capital means that amount or asset which is invested in business by a businessman or owner of the business. So here is an example that the owner started his business with cash 10,000. So if he started with business without cash, he brings some assets. So those assets will be debit and capital account under the owner equities will be credit. Now here he used cash, he introduced cash. So the cash debit and owner's equity account in capital will be credit. So this is the capital. Now what is capital and owner's equity? What is the logic behind them? Both are coming under owner's equity. So owner equity means the owner's share, like capital or additional paid-in capital or whatever the capital will come under owner's equity line. So here we have an example, an owner invested in his business 50,000 and got another 50,000 as a loan. So the owner's equity will be 50,000. When the repayment of loan will be done, the equity total will be 100,000. Like this journal entry, like cash, an owner invested in his business 50,000 in cash. So current asset 100,000. So cash he received 50,000 plus 50,000 loan. So 100,000 cash coming in the business, so this debit. So capital account under owner equity will be 50,000 because the cash amount which he is invested from his pocket, that is capital, and the loan which he received 50,000, that is a liability. So when he will make the repayment of this liability, this 50,000 will also become the capital. Now let's move further and see what is additional paid-in capital. So additional paid-in capital is also known as contributed capital in excess of the par value of issued shares or the stocks by the company. For example, the board of directors of a business authorizes 10,000 shares of common stock at a par value of 5. The company then sells these 10,000 shares for each share 10. It means the par value is 5, which is authorized, and the company sold his shares at rupees 10 each. So it means the company sell the shares at a higher value. Now let's see what will be the recording of this example. So we will be knowing that what is additional paid-in capital, like debit 100,000 to the cash account, because 10,000 multiplied by 10 will be 100,000. So 100,000 cash is coming to the business. So credit to 50,000 to the common stock account. So 10,000 multiplied by 5, this is common stock account. That is capital account. Okay, capital account of the shareholder, or even if the owner issued these shares to himself, so it means this is the owner's capital account. So 50,000 with the common stock account and credit to 50,000 additional paid-in capital, like the par value was 5. So the authorized capital with the common stock was 50,000, and what the company earns from these stocks is 5 each, like 50,000 more. As long as the share price will be increased in the stock exchange, this additional paid-in capital will increase by time. So this is the additional capital concept, guys, that how it is increasing and how it is decreasing. Sometimes the the stock price decreases and sometimes it is increasing. So the additional paid in capital will decrease and increase by that value. Now what is the difference between both of them? Like paid in capital and capital contribution, both are used in identical or in a different meaning depending how they are used. So the capital sources are from investors, from owners, or from the loan from different organizations like bank or the financial institutions. So this is the concept of capital, additional paid in capital and capital contribution. I hope guys you understand the concept. Please subscribe our channel as it keeps motivating us to create more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.